Hello everyone, I'm Bob Furlong, and this is Tech Quips number 34, Add Audio to Slides. Many of us are trying to find ways in which to deliver content to our students during this crazy upcoming year. And some people have some hesitation about making videos and maybe putting these videos somewhere. Well, there's another option that you have, and that is adding your audio to slides. So let's say that you are giving out notes to your students and you already have your slides in, say, a PowerPoint. Well, you can always upload your PowerPoint and then save it as a Google slide. And then you can just record yourself giving the notes for each individual slide. And doing something like that is pretty easy. Let me show you how. First off, if you go to Insert, and you have a choice for audio. Now when you do this, you have to have an audio recording already made. Unfortunately, you just can't make a recording automatically in slides. That would be nice, maybe sometime in the future. So right now what you'll want to do is in your drive, go to New, More, and then scroll all the way down to Connect More Apps. And when you get to the GSuite Marketplace, just type in something like audio recorder. And so there's a couple good ones. One is this cloud audio recorder. And I'm just going to click on that little add to drive button and install. And it's going to ask you for some permissions. Once you have it added, you just have to go to New, just like you would if you're creating a new doc. That's basically what you're doing. And select the cloud audio recorder. So I'm going to create that. It's going to ask you to allow to use your microphone, which you want to do. And now you just have to speak. So for instance, I could say, for this lab report, I would like you to drag the names in the proper space on the skin diagram on slide 2. On slide 3, I want you to take a picture of your hair follicle. I'm going to hit stop. We're going to export that, and I want to save that to Google Drive. Now, if you want to, you can select what folder you want to put it in. I'm just going to save it to Google Drive. So now, when I go to Insert an Audio, it should give me my most recent one. So if I click on that and select, so it gives you a little icon. A couple things that you can do with that. When you click on it, you can say, I want this to start playing when it's clicked, or if you want to play this automatically whenever they hit that slide, you can. I would just select that. You can hear yourself. Let me give you a little preview of what this sounds like. For this lab report, I would like you to drag the names in the proper. So how would I go about giving my students this slideshow? I would, if it's just notes, publish it to the web, and I'm going to change that so it can go at least every minute. Publish that, and then copy it. So you can then put this into Google Classroom, but notice what happens when they start. For this lab report, I would like you to. So I want to stop that. And it will say whatever you just made on your audio recording. So a couple other things that you could maybe do with this. Maybe in this case I used it to read directions. Some of our students may need to have their directions read to them. It will automatically read the directions. If the student doesn't want to listen to the directions being read, they can just turn their sound down. And we'd even get into, you could add music. Any audio file will be able to be played in a slideshow. You don't have to create that audio yourself. You can pull that audio in from almost anywhere. So add a little bit of audio to your slides. It might make your life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.